Recycle then decorate. 5 DIY room decor ideas or recycling hacks. Do you always have some garbage inside your home that you carelessly throw away? Don't you recycle them? If you do think about using them again, do you know how and for what? Don't worry, because these life hacks will surely give you ideas. Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing good and safe at home. For today's video, we will talk about some recycling hacks for making home decors. Recycling is a great and advantageous phenomenon, not only for us but also for our environment and nature. Humans produce a great amount of garbage at the end of each month, according to studies. This consists of plastic bottles, cans, bottle caps, worn-out home accessories, and a lot more. Without thinking enough about the consequences, we tend to just throw them away from our house, which can increase pollution, causing a bigger problem for Mother Earth. That's why it is the right time to reflect upon recycling of our wastes and garbage pile and turn them into useful, functional, and decorative items for a better home interior. If you want to turn those garbage and wastes into beautiful home decors, here are 5 hacks that you can always use. Number 1. Use old bottles as a plant container. Many of us really have a knack of drinking soft drinks, and a lot of these drinks come inside a plastic bottle. Afterward, we tend to just throw these bottles away. But did you know that it can be recycled for many applications? It can be used as a wide range of home decorations. One is to use it as a plant container. If you're a fan of putting plants inside your home, then this hack is for you. You can always get a plastic bottle, a scissor, a marker, a cutter, and some paint. Use a scissor to cut the bottle in half. While doing this, you can cut it out in any shape depending on your preference. After doing this, you can paint it depending on the color you like. Leave it out to dry, and then put some soil and your plant inside the bottle. Voila! A plastic bottle is now a cute plant container. Number 2. Use aluminum cans as a pencil organizer. If you are one of those people that tend to forget where they put their pencils, don't worry, as you are not alone. If you have some aluminum cans inside your trash bins, don't throw them away just yet, as they can be a cute pencil container. Simply get aluminum cans and cut the top part of it. After that, cut from the top of the can down on a vertical motion to make vertical cuts. Do this around the can, and after that, roll every aluminum strip downward that it will resemble some petals of a flower. After that, you can paint it if you like. Let it dry and it is good to use. Number 3. Use plastic spoons and paper cups as a candle holder. If you want to have a cute and romantic candle holder for your special nights, you can always use some plastic spoons and paper cups. To do this, you must cut the head of each spoon and set it aside. Then, grab some paper cups. Use a glue gun to stick the spoon heads around the paper cups, with the convex part of the spoon facing outwards. We recommend painting the spoon heads gold for a more romantic vibe. Number 4. Use straws and place them around every light of your Christmas lights. If you're getting bored with your white Christmas lights, you can always use straws to revive it. Simply cut small pieces of straw and place each light inside them. Use different colors of straw to get different colors of light. Number 5. Use shoe boxes as makeup organizers. We all have those shoe boxes ready for disposal, but you probably won't do it again when you hear this hack. You can use your shoe boxes as a container of your makeup. Simply put cardboard inside of it as a divider. After this, you can paint and design the exterior depending on your preference. And voila! Your makeup will now be organized. These are the 5 recycling hacks that you can follow to decorate your home. Have any more ideas? Comment them down below. That's all for our video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Click the notification bell to keep you notified for more videos like this. We hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next one.